series of armed conflict in the South China Sea. China is still the bully and continues to disrespect us when it comes to the West Philippine Sea. It has expanded its bullying beyond Sugar Shoal, of course, and now centered around the Spratly Islands. Every time we send a resupply mission to the BRP reef there, China attacks us with aggressive maneuvering of its naval and maritime ships, plus shooting water cannons or beaming laser lights at our ships. All of the above provocative actions are on top of harassing our fishermen, who have been traditionally paying their trade